Hello folks, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about question linked list cycle. How to detect linked list cycle. So this is the question number 141 and here it's explained like that. Suppose this is the linked list and this node defined 2 and 2 defined 4 and again this last node minus 4 again it's pointing to node 2. So let's discuss how we can solve this problem. So here we define, so this is the linked list structure. Here node 1 is pointing to node 2 and node 2 pointing to node 3 and node 4 again pointing to node 2. So this is creating a cycle. So let's start algorithm for this. So this is the logic. So we have to initialize two pointer slow and fast at head, and if our list will be empty or single node, it will return and then this will be no cycle. If it is not empty, then first not equal to null and first dot next not equal to null. If it is true, we have to move slow by one and move fast by step two. So if and we are checking slow equal to not equal to fast. Slow should be not equal to fast. If it will be fast and slow both will be equal, it will return the true value and cycle detected. If it's no, it will check again, and if this logic, if condition will be false, this will be false, then we return no cycle. So let's start writing the code and we'll create first two nodes. Here we created slow node and then we created fast node. While, so we are using here while because exactly we don't know when our list node will be finished. So if any problem where we don't know when condition will be false and when we have to execute that one, in that case we have to use while. If you know our iteration will be till 5 times or 10 times or size of the array given, in that case we can use for loop. So that is a basic difference between for loop and while loop. So let's start. While fast dot next. So first we'll check the fast not equal to null and fast dot next not equal to null. And we'll move our slow node slow dot next by one step and fast dot next dot next. If slow equal to fast, if both will be equal, in that case we have to return true, and if it is not, then we have to return false. So this is a basic logic. Here we are checking fast not equal to null and fast dot next not equal to null. We are moving slow by one step and moving fast by two steps. If slow equal to fast, we have to return true. We cycle detected. If it's not, in the end of the problem, we'll return the false. And let's run this code. And here we can see the result. So all test cases passed Here 3 2, this is the pointing, and here position 1, it's true, and it's same for case 2. All test cases passed. Let's submit this code. And problem is solved. It's resolved in the 84 millisecond, and this is the side detect problem. And let's go through again algorithm logic. So what we did, we initialized two pointers, slow and fast, at head, and we are checking first list is not empty. So if it's not empty, fast not equal to null and fast dot next not equal to null. If it's true, move slow by 1 and move fast by 2 steps. If slow equal to not equal to fast, then we have to again move to the while loop and it will execute till it will be false. If slow equal to fast, then return to cycle detected. So this is the problem, and I hope it is very easy to understand and you are getting it. If still you have any doubt, you can post your comment and you can ask if we need to be improved more in the explaining, and that is for this problem. So please, if you start liking our video, so like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned with us, and we'll add more problem on the different topic. Thank you.